Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a minute, but we are back in action, and I wanted to show you guys how I installed this bomb U-Part wig that I got off Amazon by Canary Fly. 26 inches, no sewing. Get this perfect flat install. Get into it. Let's do it. So for starters, I got this wig from Canary Fly. I got it off Amazon for $120. Y'all, it's bomb. Like, not even gonna lie to you, it's giving what needed to be gave. It is 26 inches, so I'll say it's pretty long and it's thick, like. So on the inside, it comes with 4 clips on the top, 2 on the sides, and then a comb as well in the back with the adjustable bands. And I did already put it on once before to see kind of what I was working with, and I've adjusted it. I will say it is a little big on my head, but maybe I just got a small head. I don't know. And like I said, it came body wave, but I did put it in once and straighten it. And it's like, it's shiny, like, oh, she's cute. She's cute. So, jumping right into how I installed it. I cannot braid. I can't. I'm gonna blame it on my mama's side because I don't know how to do it. So what I did was, I did 2 braids at the top, and then I just kind of threw it in like a big old French braid, and my hair was just blow dry. And then I did the same thing on the other side. That's just so the clips will have something to kind of, you know, hang on to. Basically, I'm gonna take my 2 braids here and just kind of like pin them up. And then after that, I have my leave out kind of just twisted up in the front already. And now for the install. There. And then what I like to do is kind of take those side combs in the back, bring it to the front, and kind of comb it in, and then do the same thing on the other side, like that. And then take my clips, clip in. I'm gonna say, y'all, please excuse my nails. Yeah, no comment, just no comment. And then same thing. So now, let me just take out the edges here. And my hair is already blow dried. I used Bloom Organics blow dry primer, and look at how like straight it already is. Like, I barely have to apply any heat pretty much to my own hair, which I love. So now I'm going to take my Bloom Organics straightening serum, and it's a heat protectant, and it leaves it so shiny, so pretty. And I really don't put that much in, just 1 little drop. And then I'm just gonna put it all over. Like, yes. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It looks very, very natural, very flat. I think this is possibly one of the best Amazon purchases I made. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait for the next one, which will be soon. So subscribe, like, comment, give me feedback, all that good stuff. See y'all Friday.